It's Patrick at Pals. So Jim has got the old springs out. He's got the third arm, which is a tripod jack, underneath the differential. He's jacking it up. The springs are connected and everything is bolted down. So now he's got to hold the shocks in. The shocks stop the car from going all the way down. Okay? They also dampen the spring when you hit a bump. So the spring deflects and the shock stops it from deflecting, stops the motion. So the shock does two things. It holds the bottom of the ride height, okay? So that's as far as that spring can extend with that shock. And then it also has full travel up to the base of that shock, and then it stops the car from bouncing after you hit a bump. So these springs, this installation has went really good. Everything's coming together. The next step is going to be putting on the tires. And of course these tires have got tubes in them. Those are Kelsey Hayes wheels. So they're true wired wheels. You have to use a tube with those wheels. We'll show you that as we go along. If you've got a classic car and it needs new springs and new tires, bring it to Pals. See you soon.